Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. In today's video, let's answer the question, can you stop pop-ups on Temu? I'll explain whether you can stop pop-ups on Temu, what you can control, and what you unfortunately cannot. So let's jump right in. Now first, let's talk about in-app pop-ups, just like this one that you're seeing. Now these are the discount offers, coupons, and deal screens that show up when you open the Temu app. The honest truth is, you cannot fully disable these. They're built directly into Temu's app design. Now, however, you can reduce how annoying they are. You want to go to your Temu profile, then from here, just tap on settings, this icon right here. Then you want to go to notifications and you want to turn off push notifications. Now, this won't remove any or every pop-up inside the app, but it will stop Temu from constantly pinging you with alerts and reminders. Next, if you're using Temu in a web browser, you have more control. In a browser like Chrome, you can block pop-ups by going to settings, then configure the site settings and making sure pop-ups and redirects are blocked. You can even manually add Temu to the block list. This helps with browser pop-ups, but it won't remove ads that are part of the website itself. Now, here's what you can't turn off. Now, flash deals, screens, promo pop-ups, and discount offers inside the Team app are permanent, unfortunately. There's no setting to disable them. You'll just need to close them when they appear. And one quick warning before we wrap up. Avoid third-party pop-up blockers apps. Now, they often ask for risky permissions and usually don't work properly with shopping apps like Temu anyway. And basically that's about it. So if you found this helpful, don't forget to hit that like button, subscribe for more quick guides, and I'll see you in the next one. Thanks!